A-level chemists. In my last video, we looked at a monomer for condensation polymerization, where you only need one monomer, where you've got the carboxylic acid group and the alcohol or the hydroxyl group on the same molecule. So you only need one monomer to make your polymer. And this, of course, is called a hydroxy carboxylic acid. But let's actually give it its specific name, right? Its IUPAC name. And we'll, of course, start by counting the longest carbon chain. I'll be really careful here because, well, maybe I'm talking to myself. When I named this for the first time, I made a ridiculous mistake, okay? I treated this as a hydroxyl group, which it is, and then I treated this as a methyl branch. And I was like, great, 2-methyl, 2-hydroxy ethanoic acid. But no. Just because it's drawn like this and it kind of looks like a branch does not mean that it's not part of the parent carbon chain, because it's still part. If we take this as carbon number 1, carbon number 2, and then as an unbroken chain, this is still carbon number 3. So this would be based on propanoic acid. Now, as already is alluded to within the name, the acid getting the end of the name has the higher priority, which means when it comes to this group here, the OH, we're not going to give it the ending ol, right? We're not going to call it propanoic acid ol or propanoloic acid or something like that, right? Instead, as we can see in like the base name, when it's relegated to a prefix, it becomes hydroxy instead of ol if it was the ending. So this would be hydroxy propanoic acid, and we still need to number this so it's really clear which carbon atom this hydroxy group is on, or hydroxyl group is on. The carbon with the carboxylic acid group on it, right? The carboxylic acid carbon is carbon number 1 by definition, higher priority, lowest number, making the hydroxy group on carbon number 2. So this is 2-hydroxy propanoic acid. Some of you may know it by its stage name, lactic acid. Yeah, great. Did you get it right? Did you make the same mistake that I did? Or did you jump straight over that trap like an absolute pro? Let me know in the comments. Let me know if there are any other types of questions you really want me to go through for your A-level chemistry. And yeah, see you in the next one.